horse's temperature is right around 100, normal temperature. The acceptable number would be somewhere in the order of about 99 and a half, or usually I'll have horses that even run closer to 99, and up to about just below 101. If it gets above 101, we usually want to keep an eye on it, and it can be indicative, especially if a horse has been checked before and you know that that's a little bit higher than he has been when he's been perfect in the past. It may be indicative that the horse is coming down with something quite, you're getting to something early. What we normally do is I have a glass thermometer just because, that's what they recommend. But I use a digital thermometer because it's quite convenient and they're very accurate and they're very quick. And it's done by sticking it up under the little armpit. No. Anyway, so what you do is we check horses' temperatures with a digital thermometer, and we do it by a rectal temperature. And the normal rectal temperature on a horse is around 100. Well, first thing I recommend is if a horse is running a very, very high temperature, more than, let's say, 102, 103, that's probably indicative that you need to have this horse looked at by a professional. And the reason why I'm telling you that is because if he's got early pneumonia, if he's got possibly a virus going through, these are things that need to be diagnosed right away so you know that you're not going to have a major setback, have a problem like potential laminitis or other things that could, or a systemic infection that can basically take over your horse's overall health and well-being and disallow them from doing the use and function that you normally use them for. If you need, they may call and say, look, keep an eye on it. There's no overt coughing. He doesn't have a discharge, this sort of thing. You don't have strangles or some sort of infectious disease. Then and really a professional needs to evaluate them for this particular purpose. If that's not the case, when there's really no other signs, if it's the middle of the night and for some reason you need to wait till the morning, then you can possibly give them a couple of grams of phenylbutazone paste or some sort of anti-inflammatory that you have on hand that will get them through the night. But most of the time, if it's during regular hours, during the day, and you see something like this going on, they should be probably looked at and evaluated by a professional. And it's the same thing that we always preach, preventative medicine versus restorative. Keeping things on the preventative side can keep you on the healthy side of the balance of your horse to where you don't get setbacks in their weight, you don't have problems with their coat, you don't have trouble with their feet, you don't have problems with their eye. And the indicative part here as far as their temperature is concerned is that if you have a problem early on, as far as a slight temperature, it gives you an idea that, maybe something to watch for, or maybe have the horse checked out before something becomes a bigger problem.